It is time to test the Soundpeats Air6 HS Earbuds, so let's get cracking. All right, today we've got the Soundpeats Air6 HS. We've got a 13mm dynamic driver, 45 hours of playtime, and a dual mic for clear calls. The Air6 HS. They come protected so they're not overcharging while they're waiting on their way to you. I'm going to peel that off real quickly. Ooh, love how it snaps inside there. We'll get that charging using the cable in here. As you can see, we've got the green light that lets us know charging is occurring. And of course, don't forget your manual is inside the top pouch. Register now to get exclusive features. Also track down the Soundpeats app. And bingo, the user guide for the Air6 HS. Before we go any further, let's quickly add the Soundpeats app. Bingo. And there it is. Double click to install. And after a moment, agree. Of course, launch and sign in. When it launches, you can choose Allow Soundpeats to find your Bluetooth devices. I'm going to choose that. Right now, I'm going to hit Add. And bingo, we're in, and the music picks up right where we left off. And we've got an update. This took a little more than a minute, but I'm just going to zip through it. And with it updated, let's test a few things. Of course, we've got spatial audio, music mode. You can tell the battery life of each option. We could do a dual device connection. It also mentions the different gesture controls. We've got an equalizer. You've got built-in presets. You can choose adaptive or custom. I'm going to leave mine just at the stock. And of course, you've got your dynamic EQ, drainage function, game mode, and you can disable touch control. Real quickly, let's check Find Earbuds. Check this out if we hit play. And there you can hear the sound. That's going to be pretty easy to find. Real quick, let's zoom in and let's double check the firmware. Check for updates. And now we've got the latest version installed. Snap it close and check it out. It automatically disconnects. How cool is that? Alright, so here we are, Soundpeats. Let's open them up. These are the Air6 HS. And of course, let's connect them to the phone. Bingo. And just like that, connected. So let's try something a little different. I've got my new wireless microphone, and let's see if we can get a song to play through the Air6 HS into that microphone. There I've got the max audio, and now let's practice the gesture controls. A double tap is pause, and it's play. And then if we do a long press, it restarts on the left, or skips to the next in the playlist on the right. So a quick wrap up, friends. Of course, I love all the features, like being able to find them when I lose them. I am the worst at setting my headphones somewhere silly, so being able to go into the app and track them down absolutely makes my day. Also love these for the dog walk. They're great because I can still hear nature. I can hear bikes coming on me when we're out in the woods. I'm not totally closed in like if I'm using something with ANC or something like even a covered ear headphone. They're super comfortable. You can wear them for as long as you want. I also love that it has 45 hours of battery life and that in 10 minutes you can get a 3-hour quick charge. They are super comfortable and the controls are easy to use as well. Of course, friends, make sure you check down below for more information, including links and a coupon. Friends, I do want to quickly say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. I also want to say thank you to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. We are past 500 members. It has a fantastic free messaging area. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.